Effective whistleblowing critical to fight against corruption. Now EFCC organize talk this one say this whistleblowing law wey dey established in 2016 wey give individuals right to fit dey report to people wey dey launder or thief or corruption for the country. He say people don dey stop and say make una no stop because this thing dey critical. E go dey very helpful to take the fight against corruption, and he say make it be effective one. Wetin that word mean be say give information that is genuine. No come say because you and dey quarrel, you go come say EFCC come you don do find my trouble. You no go come tell them say na quarrel, na the quarrel. Go just see that guy. He dey carry money wey no be own. When they come land, they go gbege innocent citizen, torture and carry and go come. At the end of the day, nothing happen. But he say if you look down well, give subsequent and adequate information, it go help the EFCC to take the fight against corruption. If we give the right info, and so the oga take talk am. Abi how una see am?
You remember this whistle blowing that first time when you come outside?
In 2016.
I buy 4 whistle. I don't know say no be that kind of whistle then they talk.
Okay, you think say na.
Now whistle say you go don go buy that whistle wey every day. I buy 4. 2016. That 2016. I remember this thing now. I blow whistle tire. I say no be.
When you buy 4 whistle, yes, I won't ask how you dey take blow. You just dey waka for street dey.
Yes, because that time the whole country now whistle blowing.
How many type of whistle we get?
Whistle plenty, rich. I get one way long. You get one way.
They no dey need whistle. Dey inside your mouth naturally.
I even use that one. I blow everything. Nobody gather. So this oga for EFCC we talk this thing so. Because you see say that time the thing been dey help them, and now people don come backpedal. People don say well make una leave am for them. Na their thing. Na their thing.
You know fit say maybe na because of because may we see this one talk. Maybe say some people don blow whistle mouth to pain them after the whistle wey they blow. Maybe the work no dey efficient. Imagine when they blow whistle make they come catch you now say you learn.
No. Maybe they another person.
I just for instance, if they come catch you now, they catch you go. You come
your
clothes for evening, come back tell me. Return. If I see whistle again, I go blow.
You know, you go even swallow.
No. You supposed to blow because
when the blow is you go slap her.
No, you supposed to blow because now you go show commitment.
Okay, what did you say that is say? They won't collect money again. They won't. Me, I know they hide my own mouth. Me, I be dead, but I go talk calm as it is. They won't collect money again.
You know, say they know your house for cocoa.
Where they come? See. Who goes you?
Whistle blowing not they work for cocoa.
Who goes? Everybody for cocoa get whistle.
As you dey enter self from them.
But see, before people go come arrest you or come carry you, maybe you are not a good person. If you there for community like area where people plenty, where everybody know you, before they carry you come for that area self, no, now come they beg you. Oh yeah, tell one. We are with you yourself. Like when they carry portable, they say they no allow portable. Everybody go there.
But not before. Are you saying that somebody that?
No, no. Like wait, now what you talk? Where say they will come carry me? They know. So now I want to defend that place.
Okay, you're very popular for that area.
Very
because you're the one that brought Okoko to the map.
This guy.
Yeah, you brought Okoko to the map.
May Oga Saka, may you go to work. Making not say me one person go to blow you through you come. Sir, do your work.
Do your work.
One thing
where are you they pay?
They pay you, they collect better money. So if I will go blow whistle for you, may you come up. Sir, do your work. But one thing when I want talk, you when you work for Lagos or you work for government house or you work for anything, see, it's just 4 years. 4 years or 8 years. Use your time well. Let your good parts be
imparted
than your bad part.
That when you come up,
because when you come up,
people will fit talk about.
You understand? I said it before. I get one of my friend. Him they work with him a driver.
Okay.
For one politician, one go oga for government. Him a driver.
Okay.
You call am like this, oga, driver dey give person condition. Na I got watch him as well. I'm on a meeting. You call me back. I'm in the meeting. Christmas Day meeting. He go. He ask like this, rice full. What they go? Those they give them food now. Rice bag of fries. You call this man. I'm not on a meeting. After 8 years.
Where they have tenure end.
When I tell you, after good 8 years, in fact, last year we sent Christmas money go give them 12,000.
Happened to one of our celebrity that time.
12,000. So use your time well.
Not just a celebrity, a comedian, big name that time. He was appointed in Imo State then. For that first 8 years, you no send anybody. You call this bros, no way. Every comedian con the facts. As that tenure, and now 8 years, now 4 years pass, we take over pass. You guys come back Lagos, come hustle because once you come out for office, nobody they know you. In first appearance that year for a while, like people they look and see. And when he did there, people they try. There's so many things was going wrong that time for the state. When they feel staying there, they used to go talk.
As a comedian.
Yes, especially in entertainment industry, but he didn't do it. So when he came back, he first show when he say me attend.
Yembuam.
Kobo.
It is in Nigeria.
If you talk go here, when he come up for that show, Liam thing, he begged, he did public apology, and he repented. So look at like you don't do say, they always remember say that in a high yes. You do pay 8 years. Even the president of the country, once you don't complete that 8 years, come down. No more one. You go past this street, people will deny that. You go back your papa house.
So
that's it.